AdvancedImpact 18, the new compact cordless combi drill from Bosch. The tool is compact and lightweight thanks to the use of a new brushless motor that's smaller than in previous models. The direction of rotation is indicated by LEDs and can easily be changed using the electronic toggle switch. After 30 seconds of non-use, the AdvancedImpact 18 even returns to the forward direction automatically. Changing the attachment couldn't be easier. Take the magnetic cap off and put the drill chuck on. The drill chuck accommodates straight shank drill bits measuring up to 13 millimeters. Insert the drill bit and switch the tool to drilling mode. To use the magnetic cap, simply put it on and push it in. Now insert the bit you need and pull the magnetic cap out again. Place the screw in place and switch the tool to screw-driving mode. The combi drill will switch between the first and second gear automatically. The torque settings are indicated on the rotating ring, enabling the torque to be selected with ease. The magnetic screw holder keeps the screws close at hand, so they can be placed on the magnetic cap quickly. This enables you to work efficiently and with both hands. To use the impact drilling function, insert the bit you need and switch the tool to impact drilling mode. The offset angle adapter can be locked in 8 different positions. This makes it possible to drive screws that are close to edges from as little as 10 millimeters away. The angle screw adapter is just what you need when space is tight. You'll never struggle to drive screws in hard-to-reach places again. The angle screw adapter even allows the drill chuck to be attached for jobs such as drilling in wood. Simply switch the AdvancedImpact 18 to drilling mode and you can drill around the corner effortlessly. Bosch, invented for life.